Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 5 Carbine Street in Ascot. This timber floor and high ceiling cottage is on a block of over 900 square metres with side access for the future garage. Plus, we're only a 5-minute walk to the river. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 5 Carbine Street in Ascot. As you can see, plenty of land to move, side access as well, and we're only 5 minutes to the river. For more details of our property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Berks website.